Are you starting to learn CostX and wondering that how do you do arc measurement or circle measurement? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naresh Poonia. A few days ago, someone has asked me in the comments that how to do arc measurement. So in this video, we'll talk about that. So without further ado, let me take you to the computer screen to show you how it's done. So we are in the project where we did all the work. Now for this video, we are going to take this measurement. This area we know is an arc of a dimension of 4970. So now we are going to measure it. So how do we measure it? There is no difference on measuring a simple line or arc. But why do people get so confused? Because they're coming from AutoCAD, and in AutoCAD there is a separate command to do the measurement of arc, but in CostX that is not the case. Let's see how it is done. So now I have already made two dimension group. One is called ground floor and another is called ground floor second method. So we will be talking about two methods how to do the measurement of arc. So first method is simple. I'm selecting the point method. This is how you'll be doing it. So you just select the starting point of the arc and then you keep on pressing the control and you click the left button of your mouse. You do one more click, then one more click, then one more click, like this, like this, like this. Wherever you feel that this line is coming on top of the arc and we are not going further apart, we will be doing it. Now I'm trying to do it a little faster. So this is how we are doing it. Now here it is giving me a length of 4.97 meter. But this drawing I got it from the internet. This is not my project drawing. None of the drawing in this channel is my project drawing. My project is confidential. So I got this information from internet for demonstration purposes. So I don't trust its accuracy to be like 100%. But if there's a difference of just 20 mm in a span of like 5 meters, then I am pretty okay with this. Now this is a slightly time taking method to do the measurement. Another method is you click at the starting point, you press control, and instead of selecting all individual points, you just go like this on top of it, and in one go you are done. Now here also you see the length is 4.95 meter, but this one you have done comparatively in a shorter span. How you did it? You just click on the first point and then you just go by it. You press control and then you just trace on this line and it will automatically select all the points. So this is how you do the measurement of arc in CostX. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.